This video is brought to you by the Department of Finance in the County of Marin. In this video, we will give an overview of how to get started on operating a short-term rental within the unincorporated County of Marin. In order to start a short-term rental, you will need to register a business license, register a transient occupancy tax certificate number, collect a transient occupancy tax from your guest, report and pay the transient occupancy tax to the Marin County tax collector on a monthly basis, and lastly, notify your neighbors about your short-term rental. For more information about notifying your neighbors, go to www.marincounty.org/STR. Within this page, click on the panel Rental Owner Information, and under the heading Notification Requirements, it will detail all the necessary procedures about notifying your neighbors and the public about your rental property. Short-term rental operators are responsible for following these requirements as they are laws set forth by the county's government. Every guest occupying the short-term rental for 30 days or less is required to pay a transient occupancy tax. This tax is paid to you, the short-term rental operator, at the time payment for the rental is final and received. This is based on the date the guest leaves the rental unit. The tax should be separately stated and itemized on the receipt/invoice for your records. Remember, you must report and send this tax to the Marin County tax collector on a monthly basis. Unincorporated Marin County has 3 transient occupancy tax rates based on tax rate area. All areas except for West Marin will have a transient occupancy tax rate of 10%. Rentals in West Marin will have the transient occupancy tax of 14%. However, if the rental is a campground in West Marin, the tax rate will be 4%. To calculate your tax amount, multiply your total monthly gross rent earnings with the formula on the screen. This will give you the total transient occupancy tax amount due. When calculating your transient occupancy tax, here's the list of what should be included in the total/gross rental earnings. They should include nightly rental amount, standard cleaning fees, cancellation charges, forfeited deposits, in-room services such as Wi-Fi, internet, cable, movie subscriptions, and all services not subject to a California sales tax, extra person/pet fees, resort fees, and room equipment. The total/gross earnings do not have to include parking permits and fees, golf fees, valet, phone charges, taxable meals, items subject to California sales tax, and prepaid rents, which should be filed after the guest has completed their stay. The above items should be listed separately on the rental receipt. The County of Marin is not contracted with any other online platform besides Airbnb. Airbnb collects and remits transient occupancy tax for rental operators. Each Airbnb rent credit must be supported by an Airbnb gross earnings report. Also, please be sure to review the occupancy tax column of the report each month to ensure the taxes are being collected at the appropriate tax rate. If not, notify Airbnb's tax department immediately. Lastly, if you have no rentals for the reporting month, you must report 0 when filing for your monthly transient occupancy tax. To verify if your property falls in the West Marin zone, please go to www.marincounty.org/TOT. Navigate down to West Marin tax increase as of January 1st, 2019, then click on the PDF labeled Measure W parcel listing. This PDF will list all properties within West Marin by parcel number. For more information and resources, please follow the links below. Thank you for watching.